In this video, I'm showing you how to download and install Spotify in just a few simple steps. Whether you're working, relaxing, or gaming, your favorite tunes are now just a click away. Open the Microsoft Store on your PC. Don't worry, it's super easy to find. Just click the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type in Spotify. This will bring up the official Spotify app for download. Click on the Spotify app from the list. Make sure it's the one from the official developers. It'll have the Spotify logo. Hit the install button and let the magic happen. The download will start right away, so just sit back and relax while it installs. Patience is key. It might take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed, but it will be worth it. Once the installation is complete, open the app and log in using your preferred method. I personally love using Google to log in quickly, but you can choose whatever works best for you. When the Spotify interface appears, click on Continue to the app. This will take you right into the Spotify experience. And there you go. You're now all set to enjoy non-stop music on your PC. From playlists to podcasts, it's all here ready for you to jam out. Pro tip: you can also download your favorite playlists for offline listening with Spotify Premium no internet. No problem. Now you've got Spotify on your PC and the music never stops.